Now, that alleged high-speed driver was not in court. He's still in the hospital recovering from his injuries from the crash. But yes, his case very much in front of a judge who sent it to the grand jury today. Also at court, family members of the victims, and they have been talking generally about what has happened and how they're doing.
If I wasn't living through it, I wouldn't even believe it.
Taurus McBride describes what he and his family are going through after this crash that killed 4 members of the family. 60-year-old Patrice Huntley was driving his family to a celebration when their SUV was rammed by another at over 120 miles per hour, according to police.
Father taking his kids out for ice cream to celebrate one of their birthdays, and 4 of them are dead.
He's the fiance of the mother of 2 of the children who died in the August 6th crash, 12-year-old Hannah and 11-year-old Jeremiah Huntley. They and their father, who went by his nickname Pat, were killed at the scene. Pat's step-granddaughter, 6-year-old Chantel Solomon, passed away at the hospital this week. Charged with the crime is 32-year-old Michael Deangelo. On Tuesday, a grand jury was asked to consider these charges against him: aggravated vehicular homicide, manslaughter, assault, DWI with drugs, and reckless driving.
When he was arrested was the first time he learned about the fatalities here, and he sobbed. During his hospital arraignment, all he did was sob. He is heartbroken.
At court, Deangelo's attorney asked for no rush to judgment and spoke of his client's remorse. The victims' relatives, who now have an empty home, were at the hearing.
What their grandmother is having to endure right now is just, it's unspeakable. His remorse doesn't do anything for us.
And he points out that his fiance's daughter, who is 18, remains in the hospital in critical condition. And he says she may lose part of one of her legs as a result of her injuries sustained from this crash. The family has set up a GoFundMe page to help cover costs of the funerals, which the family is planning right now. Meanwhile, the attorney for the defendant, the alleged high-speed driver, points out that his client is innocent unless proven guilty. Reporting live from Mineola outside the courthouse, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.